Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to deploy Flowise AI for free through Google Cloud Run and using Supabase database. This method is both cost effective and reliable, and it's perfect for both tech and non-tech people. Before we start, here's why I think this solution is beneficial. As I said, it's cost effective, and we are using official Flowise official pre-built image, which is tested and validated by Flowise team, saving build time because this already has been pre-built by Flowise. You don't have to build it locally, pull the image and build this image locally. We're using Google Cloud Run free tier, which has 2 million requests per month, and you most likely will not hit this limit. We are using Supabase Postgres database on their free plan. Of course, you can use their paid version, but at the beginning, you are good to go with the free plan. You don't have to manage the servers or build from source. Just use the Flowise image. Before we start, here's what you'll need. You'll need the Google Cloud account, Supabase account, Google Cloud CLI installed locally, and terminal or command prompt. And you must be comfortable just following along with this video, and all the instructions and commands will be provided in the description below. First, let's set up our database. Show you how to set up the database. Choose the organization, then choose the project name, type the password. I'll set Flowise _AI _123, and choose the region, which is the most nearest to your location. Create new project. This is going to take for about 2 minutes. As you can see here, it shows setting up your project. Okay, now it's ready. We can go into projects from database, and we'll have to copy these connection parameters. So first we'll copy the host. I'm going to paste it here. We'll need this later for our script. You can copy also database name, port number. I already copied that. And copy the user. Last password. Password is your project password. As you remember, I set this to Flowise AI 123. Yours might be different. Of course, please use much stronger password. And now for the magic, jump to your terminal. And here's this one command deployment. Use pre-built Flowise image. This command will be available in the description. And we'll have to replace those variables here. For the region, select the region again, which is the closest to you. I'll be using US East 1 image, so type Flowise AI/Flowise. Then this is very important step, setting environment variables. This variable Flowise username. This is the username when we'll be logging in into this Flowise Cloud Run instance. Here, set your username the way you want. I'll be setting the admin. And second most important is Flowise password. Here I'm setting this for testing purposes, for demonstration purposes, but select password the way which one you want for your username. And for database type, so type Postgres, database port 6543. We can see here on the left, database host. This will have to replace from here, from your database. Go back to a terminal. Now I'm going to replace this Supabase host. Database name Postgres. Database user, again, copy user from here. terminal and replace with your database user and your database password. And then the last one, set Flowise secret key. This secret key is used by Flowise backend, and I found out from once you deploy this to Cloud Run, if you don't set this variable here, it fails to build the image. So type here the secret key, anything you want. I type Microsoft Auto there. Then another variable that you'll have to replace is project. This is your project Google Cloud ID, and you can find it here in Google Cloud Console. You can copy it from here, from this selection, or from here. My project is Microsoft AI. Yours might be different, so whatever it is. And then the last one, allow and authenticated, it means that your project will be available to you. And since it's protected by our password, it won't be available to anyone unless they have password. And after that, hit enter and wait for 2 minutes until this deploys. It might ask you to enable some APIs here. If you're doing this for the first time, just hit yes, select yes, and continue deploying it. We'll wait for this deployment to finish. Okay. Once deployed, Google Cloud Run will give us a URL. And here is the service URL. Let's copy it. Go back to your browser. Yep. Okay. Now here, when you log in for the first time, you will have to type this Flowise username, the one that you provided here. So in my case, it's admin, and Flowise password, which is Microsoft123. So I'm going to type admin, and for the password, Microsoft again. And as you can see now, it's running, and let's make sure everything is work. I guess that's it.